what you're called to do is more important than anything else. You've got to be prepared. You've got to be prepared physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. That may include you're adding things into your character that are foreign to you. Things like stability, a process, a desire to complete the task properly, and a love for the people to whom you will lead, guide, or direct. Sometimes these things call for a host of characters and all of their characteristics, which may be a little pungent or strange, or even people, places, and things that add a variety or a spice of life that you're not used to, but you still need them to stay healthy and to be healthy and to promote a healthy environment. Whether you are a business owner, a spiritual leader, a government leader, any kind of leadership, as a parent, as a spouse, learn to add in those things, those key elements that will keep everything healthy, but it won't lose its original state. I promise you, you'll be the better person for it, and you will always, according to the wisdom of our forefathers in those ancient days, in those great lasting kingdoms, as they taught us, do the first things first and allow yourself and everything you're a part of to be nurtured smoothly, work wonderfully, and leave a great taste in your spiritual life. Peace and blessings. It's V. I'm out.